clarity.
Amen.
There is going to be clarity and boldness. Something that God will show you. It will make you to distance yourself from Him.
Yeah.
It will make you. Can I prophesy?
Prophesy.
Now I'm seeing a lot of things. Lift your hands. Lego tabakatika takatubati. Perakatuzika ante leko abatia. Saya kabalakati zika bakatuti. Tika bakatukite zika bakati. La shapapana kiti bakata. Dogo zaga tiki bakatu. Tika tiki shanda kusata. Thank you, Lord. What's your name? What's your what? No, I was USD. What? 20C. Oh yes. No, there is something there. There is something. Yes, we're praying. Yes, I'm praying now. It's like there is something that is trying to push me. And don't come this side. Thank you, Holy Ghost. Mama, me as a they want to kill you. They want to kill you. If you are not here, I don't know, it's all about Africa, but if I go we are supposed to be normal.